For its fourth year, the Sport Compact Performance Auto Show invades the field of the Olympic Stadium once again. This October 17th, 18th, and 19th, the Big O plays host to a 3-day extravaganza with over 500 of North America's top show cars. Simply the most outrageous machines to ever roll on wheels. Don't forget the Rockaware Stage Show featuring Quebec's hottest bikini contest. Clear your schedule this October 17th, 18th, and 19th at the Olympic Stadium of Montreal for the show you've been waiting all year to see. SCP4, it's back for more.